Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti Vidyalaya online classes. Class 9. First chapter I will teach you. Now the book Big Heights, the form they had. This lesson speaks about the future school. What type of school it will be as today's school, as compared to today's school. Today's school we have the teaching of classroom teaching by the teachers, and future home for futuristic school, no teacher will be only at school, only at home. Teacher, not teacher, but the computer will teach you. Yeah, that type of school will be. That type of class will be, and this story speaks about that. The coming day, after 138 years later, what will happen? The writer views this type of scenery and write this story. It's okay, let's start. So, first number, Marji even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Now Marji, in the May 17 May 2157, around 138 years later, he got a real book. The book, this type of book, printed book, his brother Tommy found. At that time there was no this type of book, something different. And in his diary she mentions, and in the future scenery, what she thinks and what she felt, and is written in the back now present scenery. After many years later, what is the school life and what is happening, that is here. Let's see. It was a very old book, already 140 years past book, so it was very old. First thing, Marji's grandfather once said, grandfather means father's father, grandfather, okay? When he was a little boy, his grandfather, little boy means his grandfather means 4 generations. Whatever book they had, told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on book. Whatever printing book, printed on book. At that time the book was printed in book. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinky. They means Tommy and Marji. They turned the pages, and whatever book it was, crinky means with many folds or lines, and very old, yellow in color, that's why. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. In the computer, just move the page, but it was stood still means in one place, something different. In the screen of the computer, they have to move by one, but in page you have to see, and turning the pages, opening the pages only you can read. That is the difference. And then when they turn back to the page before, first one page or second one page before, it had the same words on it and that it had when they read it the first time. First time as you read, both the page in the right same. Now, what they happen? Gi said to me, what a waste. Marji did not like, that's why saying negative sense. Gi said, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Means it's the wastage of papers that you have to use this type of book to study. It's not good. I guess our television screen must have a million books on it. In a computer, millions and millions of books. But in the millions and millions of books you keep in this classroom, it will be a library. So, a library of book in the computer, but that much book if you are keeping in the room, the wastage of paper, wastage of the forest. Good point, they can say. And it's good for plenty more. I would throw it away. Which computer? But I dislike this type of printed book. She tells. Same with mine, said Marji. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Now, Tommy was 13 and Tommy had more knowledge than his sister Margie. And Tommy got more ideas. Let's see. Same with mine, both are told. She said, "Where did you find it?" Now Margie asked to Tommy that this book, where did he found? Let's answer here. In my house, yeah. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Yeah, he was busy reading that pointed in my house. What? Attic. Attic is the storeroom. Where in the top of the roof. Okay. Then what is there? What's it about? What about this book related to? Related to school. Yeah. Let's see. Margie was scornful school. Margie was scornful school. What's there to write about school? I had school. Margie did not like. She tells the school, I don't like school. Maybe some reason I don't like school. Why she speak like that? Maybe irritated of this school. Yeah. What? Margie always hated school for some reason. The word school was not good for Margie. Why she don't like? There's a reason that school where she was studying not good maybe. Let's see. But now she hated it more than ever. More she disliked. Why? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing ocean till her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for a county inspector. Now, in the school of Margie, test after test in geography sector, and then in the result was not good. She was not scoring good mark and not improving. That's why she did not like school. Where no interest means don't like, no result means no liking, and maybe what is the problem? Mother would like to know. That's why I called the county inspector to check what is the fault. Why this girl is not improving in geography subject? Mother called for the county inspector or the inspector of that area. Now he came and observed the scenery. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Now that person come, very little man, red face, and he had whole box of tools with dials and wires. Too much instruments he had. And dials and wires are the things to be used. Okay, he smiled and Margie and gave her an apple. Now he gave her an apple means he was very friendly. He knew the problem of Margie and he solved the matter. Suppose to own a heart, own a thing, you have to be very giving hand. Very good person. Okay. Now, and then took the teacher apart. Which teacher? Mechanical teacher. What are the fault? Which teacher? Geography teacher. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together. Margie did not know that this computer will be okay or not, whether I will get good result or not. What is the problem? This teacher is not good. That means in her mind she thought. Let's see, but he knew how all right. He means this county inspector knew that I can solve the problem. And after an hour or so, it took an hour, then after what happened? There it was again. It was again means once again he started checking. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That was not so bad. Yeah, that was good. That computer, whatever computer she was studying, large big screen and all the lessons were shown in the computer type system and questions were asked and that was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot. Slot means the given task. Margie liked this computer screen but answer time. In a slot is the place where the answer are given. Yeah, slot means a given space, time or position. Okay, where she had to put homework and test papers. Homework test paper was given. Yeah, she always had to write them out in a punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. In this punch code, she had to give from the 6 years old she was, now he is 11, already 5 years passed. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now he was doing this score, punch code, and he had to count it within the second. He can count the mark of Marji, but the result was not good. But the problem is here in this geography sector, let's discuss. The inspector had smiled after he had finished and patted Marji's head. Now, inspector found the fault. He knows that this girl is very good. It's not the girl's fault. Actually, what's fault here? He said to her mother, it's not the little girl's fault. Whose fault that means? Mr. Jones, Mrs. Jones, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geared a little quick means adjusted to a particular standard or level, something more. Speed. And because of that, I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. I have made it to 10-year level standard, not 11. Then see. Overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Okay, now Marji is good. That means no problem because of something speed. That's why she was not able to answer. Now according to her standard, she will answer. According to her standard, the teaching will be carrying on in this computer system. Okay. And he patted Marji's head again. Now, second he patted means giving more consolation and good words. So you can say county inspector was a good person, can share, can help, and in this way he can carry on. It's okay. Marji was disappointed. Yeah, hopeless. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. He was hoping means this geography computer must be removed from this place. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Same thing happened to his Tommy's case, that history sector was not blanked out completely. That's why this teacher was removed. But now county inspector has solved the matter. The slowed it, geared it, slowed it the speed. Then that was satisfactory, no problem. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Why would anyone write about school? Yeah? About school, next question. Why would you write about school? Why? Then Tommy looked at her with very superior eye, means smart eye. Because it's not our kind of school. Why people tell us about the school book and book this type? And Tommy said, you think that now as I am teaching, we are studying in the house. As a teaching, it is not like that. This is the old kind of school that had been hundred of years ago. Yeah, very previously people were coming to school and students were sitting together and teacher was teaching. That how school was. But nowadays no more. Let's see. He added loftily in a superior way, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. Do you know century means 100 and 100 years? Very fast. Yeah. Marji was hot. But Marji did not know that means. When? I don't know. What kind of school they had all that time ago? Yeah. What type of school at the time? She would like to know. Yeah. She read the book over his shoulder for a while. Yeah, on his shoulder. He opened the book and read, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. They had a school means they had a teacher. Now Marji would like to know maybe the mechanical teacher or what teacher they had. Surely they had a teacher. But it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Not regular means a normal teacher or ritual teacher as they mechanical teach. Human being teach them at the time. A man. How could a man be a teacher? She did not know the man could be a teacher. How is it possible? Because at the time that was new for her. She did not know about the school life as we have now. It's okay? A man. That's why. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. What is the duty of the teacher? Yeah? boys and girls things and gave them homeworks and asked the question. May give tasks and to ask the question. These are the work of the teacher. Yeah, it's okay. A man isn't smart enough. That means man is not smart. Sure he is. Tommy said, yeah. Man also is smart like the computer, okay? My father knows as much as my teacher means my father means Tommy's father knows more like the teacher means this computer teacher. That means man also can be smart. He knows almost as much. I betcha means I am sure. Let's see, Marji was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. I don't like it. I don't call this a strange person to my house. The strange person means unknown person. If I come to my house, maybe steal my loss, maybe loot, maybe anything they may do. I don't permit these persons to come to my house. Tommy screamed with laughter. It's a joke only. Yeah? Tommy started laughing. What are you talking to? You don't know much, Marji. The teachers did not live in the house. You think that in our house teacher may come and live? No. They have to go to different place. All the students from different place and the teacher have to go. Just like Gyanjyoti means all from four and four direction student come to and higher teacher comes to teach you. It's something different than the school teaching. And the online classes at the home, teacher may be in the house and teach you. Now, that is something different. Let's see. So the teachers did not live in the house, they had a special building and all the kids went there. Just like Gyanjyoti. From different villages, different towns, different places, to come and teacher from house come to that school to teach. Yeah, that type of a school. And all the kids learn the same thing. Sure. Yeah, Marji told, क्या सबको एक ही जैसा सिखाया जाता है? Not the same thing, yeah, sure. If they were the same age means same teaching. But my mother say a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently, yeah. Different. My mother says that. What mother said? To adjust it fit every person. The child's mind is not same, so have to teach differently. Different type of teaching should be. Just the same, they did not do it that way. Then, if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Yeah, those you don't like it, they don't read the book. Means the teacher will teach everybody. Those you don't like to listen, don't like to read, may not score good mark. But teachers do teach everyone. Yeah. I did not say I didn't like it. Marji said quickly, yeah, I like book. Who told that I don't like it? I like that book. Yeah. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Yeah, Marji would like to know about this school. Know about more about this school. Like to know more about this. They were not even half finished when Marji's mother called, Marji, school. The conversation was not finished and Marji's mother called, Marji, come, your school started. Marji looked up, not yet, Mama. Time is not come, then why are you asking me? Now, said Mrs. John, it's probably time for Tommy too. Now both of the students' school. What school? In the particular house, the computer teacher was teaching them. That is too different from the present school what we teach you. Yeah. Marji said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school, after my class is over? Can I know more about this past school, what was happening, how the school was? Let me know. Can you help me, my brother? He asked, maybe. He said nonchalantly, means without any giving interest or any enthusiasm or carelessness. Maybe I can. Means Tommy was no more interested about this as compared to Marji. He walked away whistling. Who? Tommy. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Tucked beneath him means kept in his arm. Okay. Let's see. Marji went to the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom was their school. Yes, student. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Teacher were waiting that Marji will come and I will start teaching. It was always on at the same time every day except Sunday, Saturday and Sunday. 2 days holidays out of 7 days. Means 5 days study, 2 days rest. But in our school, Sunday is holiday, but rest of the day we have to come to school. Yeah? Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. The mother's good line. Yeah, regular hours if we study. This is one type of feeding. As we every day our lunch, our breakfast, our dinner, at the right time we eat. That's why we are good in health. In the same way, we have to study at right time every day. We will be sound in brain and sound of standard. Mother's view is very nice, my dear. Good line for you. Your summer holiday means online classes going on means no study. That is your lost. You are losing your standard. It is a daily feeding. Every day if you study, then when examination comes, you will answer perfectly and you will score top mark. And you will not get the fail mark and you will score good mark. That is daily routine. Good message here I can say. Regular hours. Good line for every one of you. Yes, my dear student. The screen was lit off. Yeah, this screen opened. I'll say today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Addition of proper fraction. Yeah, maybe this. Let's say addition of proper fraction. Please insert your yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Yeah. Yesterday's work in the slot that we have answered or not. Now math subject that started in computer teacher teaching to Marji. Marji did so with a sigh, with high breathing. Okay, if you say then I will do. Means Marji was not giving more interest in this type of teaching. She was thinking about the old school, not this present school. What type of school it was. I need that type of school. I need new friends. I need the human teacher. I would like to sit with them. I would like to enjoy them. Marji was thinking so. Let's see. The old school they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, yeah, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. Oh, great time. All the students laughing and joking, that's coming together, shouting and sitting together and studying the subject. It was a great time. Yeah, going home together at the end of this day. When time is over, they returning their home. Yeah, at the end, they learn the same things. They could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Now they can share, they can talk, they can discuss, they can study more. What a time. Yeah. And the teachers were people. First, second point, human teacher is more better than this computer teacher. Computer have more love and feelings as human have. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen while we had fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Right? Now, mechanical started teaching the maths subject in computer. Let's see. Marji is very much fed up of this type of subject by a computer teacher. She thinks that I need this type of school teacher, human teacher, if I had. Let's see. Marji was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the olden days. Really, it's a really good time. Really, school days. All the students coming to the one school and teacher coming and teaching you far better than this online classes. As I teach you in recording class and your YouTube just like a partially this is a classroom house teaching. I don't think you will be feeling more interesting as the class teaching with the together all the students sitting and teacher teaching is more better than the teaching I am teaching you now. The same thing happened to Marji also. If I had this type of teacher and this type of students or the friends and I am sitting in the classroom and I have this subject. Yeah. She was thinking about the form they had. Really, classroom teaching is more enjoyable, more entertainment, more fine than these computer classes. I hope the lesson is very important and you do practice and be happy to continue. I hope this class may help you. Thank you. Okay, goodbye.